Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have discussed some problems on main dimensions of new model that is design of synchronous machines. Those problems we have to solve once again. Along with those two problems, one more problem. Only three problems. All three problems have been asked in VTU question paper. Problem number 1. Determine the main dimensions for a 1000 kVA 50 Hz 3-phase 375 RPM alternator. The average gap flux density is 0.55 Webers per meter square and ampere conductors per meter are 28,000. Use rectangular poles and assume a suitable value of core length to pole pitch in order that bolted down pole construction is used, for which the maximum permissible peripheral speed is 50 meters per second. The runaway speed is 1.8 times the synchronous speed. Now, this is the case of synchronous generator. Q is rating of given problem. kVA rating is given, that itself is Q value. It is not required to calculate input kVA as we have seen in induction motor. Q is given value, output of rating given. Then speed of the machine is given. Speed of the machine 375 RPM, that itself is synchronous speed. Hence, first step you convert into revolutions per minute, that is given speed into revolutions per second. 375 divided by 60, 6.25 RPS. This synchronous speed is also equal to 2F by P. From help of this equation, you have to calculate number of poles. Number of poles equal to 2F divided by Ns. You are getting around 16. Stator winding factor is not given. You assume there stator winding factor as 0.955. Next important parameter, output coefficient. We know that output coefficient C0 equal to L1 times kWs B average AC into 10 to the power of minus 3. You substitute the values, you are going to get as 162. We know that output equation Q equal to C0 D square L Ns. From help of this equation, you have to calculate D square L. D square L equal to Q divided by C0 into Ns. Substitute the values, we are going to get 0.987 meter cube, that you can give the equation number 1. Second one, rectangular pole construction is given. For rectangular pole construction, L by tau we can use from 1 to 5. For better economical design, we have to select the value less than 3. You can select 3 or you can select 2. Now, I can select L by tau equal to 2. Hence, L equal to 2 times of pole pitch, 2 times of pi d divided by P. You substitute all the values, put the L value in form of D. L equal to 0.093 times of D. You call the equation number 2 and substitute this value in equation 1, that is D square L. D square L equal to 0.987. So, you are substituting, we are going to get as D cube. D cube equal to some ratio, then you can go for cube root 2. Cube root of that we are going to get as D. D equal to 1.36 meters, and substitute this value in equation 1. Again we are going to get as L. L should be equal to 0.535 meters. After calculating the diameter, we have to check for peripheral speed. Peripheral speed VA equal to pi d into Ns, that is should be in meters per second. You substitute the value, we are going to get 26.7 meters per second. Hence, peripheral speed at runaway speed, that is given 1.8 times of peripheral speed. Hence, we are going to get 48 meters per second. This value is below than 50 meters per second. Hence, simple bolted on pole construction is used. For this only you have to get 2 marks. Then problem number 2. Problem number 2. Here in this problem, synchronous speed ns, again given speed 187.5 rpm is given, divided by 60, we are going to get 3.125 revolutions per second. Then again determine number of poles, poles equal to 2f by ns, we are going to get as 32. Stator winding factor is not given, again once again you can assume standard value, stator winding factor equal to 0.955. Then next you go for output coefficient, C naught equal to 11 times of kWs B average AC into 10 to the power of minus 3. All values are given. Directly we are getting this value as 214. Then you go to the output equation. From output equation, Q equal to C naught D square L ns. Therefore, D square L equal to 3.74 meter cube. You give the equation number 1. Now, in this problem, your design should be for circular pole. Circular pole L by tau equal to 0.6 to 0.7. In the problem, it is given directly. L by tau equal to 0.65. Hence, you determine L equal to 0.6 times 65 into tau, that is pi d by p. You substitute all the values, L equal to 0.0638 times of d. You call the equation number 2. Then you substitute L equal to 0.0638 times of d in equation 1, that is d square L equal to 3.74. You substitute L value, then we are going to get as d cube equal to 3.74 divided by 0.0638. Hence, d should be equal to cube root of this value. Then we are going to get as 3.9 meters. You substitute this d value in equation 1. L is also we are going to get 0.245 times of meter. After that, you have to check for peripheral speed. Peripheral speed Va equal to pi d into ns. You substitute all the values, d equal to 3.9, ns value 3.125, we are going to get 38.2 meters per second. Then runaway speed, it is given 2 times of peripheral speed, 76.4, which is nearer to the 80 meters per second. Hence, we have to use dovetail construction. Problem number 3, it is very much interesting. It is asked 3-4 times for 10 marks. Find the main dimensions of 100 MVA, L1 kV, 50 Hz, 150 RPM, 3-phase water wheel generator. The average gap density is given 0.65 Hebers per meter square and ampere conductors per meter 40,000. The peripheral speed should not exceed 65 meters per second at normal running speed in order to limit the runaway peripheral speed. Here he is not mentioned any type of construction. Either you take circular, either you should take rectangular. First you solve the problem for lower value, L by tau equal to 0.6 to 0.7. We have to check. If it is not satisfied, then you go for rectangular construction. First you determine synchronous speed. Actual speed is given 150 rpm. Therefore, synchronous speed ns equal to 150 by 60, 2.5 rps. The number of poles 2f divided by ns, we are getting around 40. Stator winding factor is not given. You can assume 0.955. Then output coefficient C naught equal to L1 times kWs B average AC into 10 to the power of minus 3. You substitute all the values, we are going to get as 274. Then from the output equation Q equal to C naught D square L ns. Then you frame the equation for D square L. D square L equal to Q divided by C naught ns. You substitute the values, we are going to get as 146 meter cube. You call the equation number 1. First we assume the circular poles L by tau equal to 0.65. then you calculate L value equal to 0.051 times of T. You give the equation 2 and substitute this value in equation 1, that is d square L equal to 146. What value you are getting diameter? Diameter we are getting around 14.2 meters. Then first you check for peripheral speed at synchronous speed. So peripheral speed Va equal to pi d into ns. After substitution of all values, we are going to get the value around 111.5 meters per second. Now this value is above than permissible speed. In problem he is mentioned the peripheral speed should not exceed 65 meters per second. Hence circular poles are not suitable. Circular poles are not suitable. Hence next our choice is go for rectangular poles. For rectangular poles L by tau equal to 1 to 5 we can use. Now we have to check for all values. We don't know which condition it should satisfy. Hence you have to go for L by tau equal to 1. You calculate D value, you calculate L value, check for peripheral speed, that is you are getting 96.5, L by tau equal to 1. Similarly you go for L by tau equal to 2, D value is 9.75, L value is 1.53, speed is 76.7. You follow the table from 1 to 5, then you can observe for L by tau equal to 4 and L by tau equal to 5, we are going to get peripheral speed less than permissible speed, that is 60.1 for L by tau equal to 4. For L by tau equal to 5, 52.4. Hence these two are optional, selectable, easily we can use. These two are permissible values. Hence I can choose again L by tau equal to 4 for my economical design. So the L by tau value equal to 4 we have to select for cheaper design or economical design. Hence when L by tau equal to 4, that diameter is acceptable. Hence final diameter is D equal to 7.7 time meter, respective L 2.43. These are your final design values. This problem is asked number of times for 10 marks. Thank you, sirs.